Hello, my dear pharmacy friends. Welcome to Pharma Job Alert YouTube channel. My dear friends, Aurobindo Pharma Limited Unit 15 Paravada, Visakhapatnam is hiring for the following department: production, OSD, packaging, and quality control. In production, they are looking for executive or technical assistant, B.Pharm or M.Pharm, B.Sc or Diploma, 2 to 4 years of experience. For packaging department, B.Pharm or M.Pharm, 2 to 4 years of experience in blister or bottle packing. Technical assistant, B.Sc or Diploma, 2 to 4 years, secondary packing, labeling, and cartoner. For quality control executive, M.Sc chemistry, B.Pharm or M.Pharm, 2 to 4 years of experience. So the venue is Bachpalli, Hyderabad, Unit 3. Date is 6th Sunday. Timings are 9 to 17. So you need to walk in with relevant documents, educational certificates, experience certificates, appointment letters, etc., bank statement, PAN card, and some other details mentioned here on the screen. So these are the vacancies from Aurobindo Pharma. So please utilize the opportunity. And for job updates like this, subscribe to Pharma Job Alert and also share this video with your friends so that they will get informative about the new job openings that are available right now. Thank you.